So some of the old field computers we used for sampling, and that we used the old Lynx computer here. I even did soil sampling off an old iPack, some of the Ag Leader handhelds as well. So with that being said, we also did topographic survey work. That's with some of the Trimble displays there. But that when I started in 1994, we were doing soil sampling off of a little iPack computer or that, and looking at maps and sample points out there. And it's evolved from there. Of course, now we can use iPads and the different apps and software that are out there to do soil sampling and bring that data back to the office and then go through it, match it to samples, do the mapping, and then get that back out to our customers.
Seeing this stuff, does it bring back any memories from the good old days?
Oh yeah, it does. I mean, when I first started, I had a 6x6 setup with a field computer on it, and we still probe everything by hand. We do not machine probe at all. We want to make sure that everything going into that bucket is of the same consistency from that zone, as far as soil type and how it looks. So we do a lot of zone sampling, so we make sure that those zones match what's going on out there in the field. And of course, we bring the various layers into that: yield maps, topography, whether that's soil conductivity data by Veris or anything else. And we take a look and analyze all that data to get the best results back to our customers and see what's going on out there in the field.